Can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm able to see.
Okay. So I kept this up and only running.
Yes, admin server and everything is up and
Yeah,
running.
yeah.
Okay. Can you go to clusters?
Okay. Oh, this explains.
There's a plus sign on clusters.
Okay,
Yeah, server templates.
okay.
Yeah, ST1. Can you click on that ST1 template which we have created?
Yeah,
Select one of the machine. We have only one machine. Select the machine so that we can stop the server dynamic cluster also using the node manager. A machine, make it M1, and then save and activate your changes.
okay.
Activate your changes. Okay, now can you create that boot property files for admin server and managed servers as well?
Yeah,
So you have to go to the backend. Same steps. Everything is similar. You don't see any difference.
okay.
Not yet in the backend.
Yeah,
You go one folder back. Yeah. Dev domain. Go inside dev domain servers, and then you will see admin server. Yeah. So why
here
you
is
are not
up.
able to? Yeah, here only you create folder security. So
Okay.
why you are not seeing other folders MS1, MS2, MS3, the three managed server? So you have to understand that those folders get created when you start the managed server. Till
Yeah,
now you have not started it up. That is
started
why
them.
those
Okay,
folders are not yet created. Okay.
okay.
So when you
And
when you start the
yeah, here I could see one more security folder. That is
yeah,
different.
this is a different security folder. This was there in 11G as well. That
Yeah,
security folder was already there in 11G as well. So that
okay,
is used for storing your WebLogic user and other kind of user which you create.
okay.
Yeah, you have saved it. It should be the property file. Yeah, remove the other file which is there. And then whenever we will restart, it will not ask for the username and password. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, now here there is one more difference which you will see that earlier whenever you need to start the node manager you have to go to WebLogic home server bin, but in this case but in 12c onwards what they
okay,
have done is you will have each of the domain which you create will have its own node manager, so you just need to go to domain home bin folder to start the node manager. You don't have to.
from here we can start.
Yes, you will see the command start node manager, not this one. In the same window, you go down.
Yeah, start node manager.
Yes, so start node
Okay,
manager. Just started.
okay.
So your node manager is up and running. Can you just go and check in the console as well?
Yeah,
If it is reachable, it will be inside machines. Same place. Everything is in the same place where it used to be. There is no changes. You will see same to monitoring. Monitoring.
reachable.
So it is reachable. You can see the version change here, 12.2.1.4. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you start the manage servers there? Go to servers and then start it using Node
Yeah.
Manager. Yeah, go to control and then you can start one
So
DS1.
always DS1 also we have to start.
Yeah, you can start DS1 as well. You can start DS1. Any one, you select any DS1 and MS1.
Okay.
Yeah, start them. Two manage servers. So you will see that these servers will get started without asking you for username and password. Now,
Okay.
earlier when you used to start manage servers from the command prompt, you need the security folder and all. So what does
Correct.
that mean? It means that when you start your managed servers using the node manager, it does not, the booter property files will be copied from admin server and automatically it will be done. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
So now can you go back in the backend? Can you go to
Okay.
the backend folders structure? You will see two folders will be created now, MS1 and DS1. Yeah, servers.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go inside MS1
Security has
security. Yeah,
created.
go inside this. There is nothing inside security. Go inside data. Go inside data. There is node manager. Yeah,
Yeah, here it is created.
you can see here. So open this file. So this is your username and password. So what does that this shows you? So whenever you are starting your manage servers using the command prompt, then in that
Okay.
case, that node manager the booter property file is required. But if
Okay.
you are starting using the node manager, that booter property file is copied at its separate place. So sometimes what will happen is you will change the password and then
Yeah.
you will change the password and then you will change it on the security folder and you will do the changes somewhere and then you will try to restart it. So sometimes it will not work. Then you will feel you will be in panic mode. Why it is not working? I have already changed the password. Why it is not working? So you have to understand whenever you are starting with the command prompt, then
Okay.
it is inside your managed server security folder. But if you are starting using the node manager, the boot the property file is inside your managed server
Node
data
manager.
node manager, and then there is a boot the property file. So
Okay.
that is the difference which you have to understand
Okay.
and remember when and where those files are used.
Okay.
Refresh this page. I think it should
Yeah.
have started by now. Just refresh
And
this page.
can't we keep one more copy in that node manager servers? Boot.properties.
I didn't get your question. Can you repeat?
Can we like in every managed server we have pasted a security folder, right?
Yeah,
Previously.
you can do that. See, sometimes what will happen is you may have to start your managed servers using command prompt. Okay,
Yeah.
then in that case, if the security folder is not there, then in that case it will not
It will
start.
prompt for.
Yes, it will prompt for username and password. So yes, you can do that.
Okay.
Yes, that will not be used when you are starting and stopping using Node Manager.
Okay.
Okay, that will not be used when you are starting and stopping using Node Manager. Then that will not be used.
Okay.
So that is one thing which you have to figure out. Sometimes this is a issue which people start facing.
Okay.
They will, because in some organization you have to change the password on monthly basis because of security concerns.
Okay.
They will just rotate the password on every monthly basis. So then in that case, sometimes you will be familiar with all the processes and all, but if you are new and then you go there and then if you are not familiar, then you may start facing this kind of issue that you have changed the password but still the servers will not come up, and then you will be in panic mode. You have to call your seniors and all. So you should remember that which one which booter property file is used by which where it is used.
Okay. Yeah, I understood. Suppose we do it from the console, then it will be inside data and node manager
Yes,
folder
when you start it from
from the
this,
console. Yeah.
yes, from the console, then it will be inside the data and
Yeah.
Here also the same thing you can do. Can you go and create one of the two users, Amit and Kiran,
Yeah.
or you create some other user, create.
You want to bring this up or we can leave it?
No, not required. It's okay.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
stop two manager because your system will become slow. I don't want your system to become slow and then
Okay.
stop
Shall I
two
stop it?
managers. Yeah, stop it. It was just to show you. Okay,
Yeah.
stop one more so that only two managed servers are running. Yeah. So now, can you create two different users?
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Go to where you have to go.
Security reliance.
Yes, security rems, my rem, and create two different users. Don't give Amit and Kiran. Give
Yeah.
some
Yeah.
other name. Or create user test one, test two, test three, test four, test five, something like that. I need five
Okay.
users to be created, or any five people whose name you want.
We can create tester developer kind of thing.
Yeah, you want. Yes, okay. Test the
Yeah.
developer. Give the username, password. Yeah, first create the user, then we will add them in the group.
Okay.
Unless and until you are added, unless and until you add them in the group, you will not be allowed to make use of it.
Yeah.
If you have not added any these users to the group, they will not be allowed to log in.
Okay.
Okay, just go ahead and change the group as well.
Okay. You want four? I have created four users.
Yeah, it's okay. Four is okay.
Okay, fine.
Let's change the group.
Yeah. For admin, I'll give all the
Yeah, you can
privileges.
give administrator.
Okay.
There is a breadcrumb. We call it breadcrumb.
Breadcrumb. Okay.
Yes, this is called breadcrumb.
Yeah. For developer also we have to give
You
or
can
we
give
can.
deployer, monitor, app tester.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, so now you have created the four different users,
Yeah.
and all of them has access to your domain. But see, now this is your dev domain. But in real-time environment, what will happen is there will be dev, QA stage, prod, pre-prod. There will be multiple environments will be there.
Correct.
Okay. So right now you have only seven users, but in real time there can be hundreds of users which you need to maintain.
Yeah.
Okay, then in that case, in each environment, you cannot go ahead and create all the users one by one. How much time consuming this task could be?
Yeah. Correct.
It will take a lot of time for you, and then you always have to If you create one user in dev, then you have to again do the same thing in QA, stage, prod, pre-prod, and all other environments. So it is a very time-consuming task. So for
Yeah.
that, what we do is there is a migration. What we can do is we can export the users from one environment to another environment.
Okay.
Click on migration tab. There is the last tab here in where
Yeah.
you open the users and group, and there is an export button. Click on the
Okay.
export button. Now, go to the backend and create one folder called empty folder called users
Okay.
something in the domain. Yeah,
In a
in the
domain.
dev domain. In the dev domain. Yes,
Okay.
click create. You can create this folder anywhere. There is no restriction that it has to be inside domain. But for us, because we will be using this place regularly, so that is why we are creating it here.
Okay.
Users backup, something like that. Yeah. So go inside this folder,
Okay.
take this path, take the complete path, copy this complete path.
Oh,
User backup. Take the path, complete path, copy this complete path, go to the console. Yeah, yes, paste this
okay.
and save it. So what it will do is it will copy all the users which you already have.
Okay.
Okay, and it will back it up in that folder. And the same thing what you can do, you can copy it in your dev QA, UAT, and other instances, and all the users will get created automatically. You don't have to recreate all the users there.
Okay.
Okay, so this
So,
is
with what file name it will get
you
created?
open go to that folder now. You will see there will be 5 or 6 files which will get created. You just need to zip this file. Yeah, this is the one. See, all these
Okay.
files got created.
Okay.
Now all are that file. You will not be able to open this file. Just try to open. You will see some black color lines. All
But
are
these are
there.
the user their data,
Yes,
is it?
this will have all the user information and details.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, so it is not non-human readable file. So
Okay.
for us, it will not be able to read it, but yes, the system will be able to decrypt and read it. And
Okay.
when you have to import it, there is a import button there next to
Yeah.
export. So
Yeah.
if you want to import the user, so in your QA, UAT, and other instances, you will import the users. So
Okay. We
this
have to
task
give the
becomes,
same location here.
yeah, you have to give the same location and just save it. Then all the
Okay.
users will be imported here.
Okay.
So it becomes very easy for us.
Easy.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's try to import the 12C users in 11G. Let's see if it is working. Can you start the 11G
Yeah.
uh,
Okay.
admin server as well? Only admin server is required, nothing more than that. Yes,
Bin
yes.
only.
Start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then only start with project. Now open the console.
Yeah.
It is in running state. Let's see if it works. I'm also not 100% sure.
Okay.
Again, console. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, it got saved like that.
yeah. Okay. Give the username password. No, no worries. It will. Yeah, or yes. Press enter here.
It's not logging.
Open it in another window.
Okay.
Open an incognito mode and then do it.
Okay. Why?
Okay.
I mean, is any
I will
reason?
tell you later. Incognito, not in this. Yeah. New incognito window, third one. Yes. Localhost. Yeah. Correct. Enter.
Yeah, now it opened.
Now can you go to the same place, security realms and my realm? Yeah, migration. You can see same thing you can see in 11G as well.
Yeah.
Migration and then import. Yeah, give that path here. Let's see if it is able to import those users.
Okay.
User backup.
So that-
Down. Yeah, take this path.
I saved it. Okay.
Yeah, now can you go to users and group? It was able to
Yeah, now we
can
got all
see
the.
all the users, mid developer and all those things. Can you go and check the roles also, group also?
Okay.
So you do not have to create the users again and again.
Yeah.
Only it will be one time user you have created. Only in dev environment you have to create the users, and then the same users can be exported to all the other environments using
Okay.
these options: migration,
Yeah.
import, and export option. And the same thing 11G is working in for 12C. 12C will work for 11G as well.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, this scenario will not happen. But yes, when you are migrating from one environment to another environment, then
Then
this
we
will be
can,
used.
this will be useful. Yeah.
Yeah, this will be used. All the users can be migrated from 11C to 12C, 12C to 14C. So
Okay.
that can be used there.
Yeah.
Clear with this?
Yeah.
So
Clear.
now when you were opening this URL, it was not working in that same browser window.
Yeah.
Why? There was a reason. Can you click on 11G domain? Click on that 11G domain. We'll fix that
Okay.
and go to advanced.
Okay.
Down, down,
Now.
down, down.
Yeah.
Yeah, advanced. Okay. Yes, go down,
Yeah.
go down. Go to advanced section.
Okay.
Yes, you can see there is the console cookie name. What is the console cookie name? Admin
Console.
console session.
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you go to 12C and see the same thing?
Okay.
Go to 12C and the same place. Go
Same
down,
name.
same thing. And also then click on that I symbol in your browser. There is a I symbol in your localhost 8001 where you are hit this URL.
Here. Okay.
Yes.
Information.
Click on this. Click on that I symbol. Go to cookies.
Okay.
So you can see two are in use. Click on that localhost. There is a localhost. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cookies. Click on that cookie. You can see admins and so this is the cookie name which is getting stored. Click on that.
Okay.
Click on the cookie name. So there is a cookie for this console. So what was happening is both the 11G and 12C had the same cookie name. So that is why your browser was not able to identify where the
Okay.
request has to go. It was
Okay.
taking the 12C request to 11G and 11G request to 12C. It get confused.
Okay. Because
Okay.
both are coming from the same machine, right?
Yeah, both are coming from the same machine, from the same browser itself. So that is
Okay.
why if you have used a different browser, then it would have worked. There is no issues. But right now
Okay.
we have
Okay.
opened a new browser, incognito mode. It's worked. So now
Okay.
how can we fix that? See, there can be a scenario in which you have multiple dev QA, UAT, dev QA on the same machine. Okay, there can be a scenario in which your environment dev and QA environment can be on the same machine and people have to access it. Then in that case, they will only be able to access one at a time. They will only be able
Okay.
to access one environment at one time. Otherwise, the other environment will log out. So how can we
Yeah.
fix it? In order
Okay.
to fix this, the very easy step, go to, yeah, press done, click on done here.
Okay.
Yeah, just change the console cookie name underscore 11G, something like that. If it is
Okay.
11G, if it is 12C, it is 12C. Make it 12C. Yes. Save this,
Yeah.
activate the changes, restart your admin server.
Okay.
And in the 11G, you just make it as 11G.
Okay.
Activate your changes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, yeah, now you can do the same changes in 11G as well. In the
Okay.
meantime, you can stop all the servers here. Yeah, this is 11G. Make it underscore 11G. Save and activate. Yeah.
Okay. So shall
Restart.
I restart?
Yeah, yeah. You restart it now.
Okay.
Shut
From here
down.
I can do it, right?
You can just shut it down from here.
Shut
You
it
cannot
down. Okay.
restart. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
For starting, you always have to go to the backend and start it. At least the admin server.
Okay. Control.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can go
So
ahead
shall I
and
close all this?
yeah, yeah. You can close these things. Only Node Manager you can keep it running.
Okay.
See, the first one is not Node Manager. You can stop it. Open the second one. I will tell you which one is Node Manager.
This one is
Yeah,
not.
installation. So you can
Yeah.
close that. We already have installed it.
This is Node Manager, right?
This is Node Manager process. I think this is Node Manager of 12C.
Yeah.
Yeah, then minimize this. Don't select it anything. Don't press
Okay.
enter. Otherwise, nothing will work.
Yeah.
If you press your mouse somewhere, it will not work. Press enter
Yeah.
somewhere.
Okay. I pressed it.
Yeah.
So we have to go back to dev domain.
The main bin folder and start Weblogic down. Second last command. Yes.
Yeah.
In the same way, you go to the 11G domain and start it.
Okay.
Bin. Once it is started, can you try to access both the URL in the same browser?
Okay.
Yeah, now can you just press the I symbol first? Let's see what
Okay.
is. Okay. Yeah, press on I, go to cookies. Yeah, click on localhost, cookies. Yeah, remove the first two. Yeah, remove this. Remove the second one also. Yeah, let that third one. Okay, so now it is using the latest one.
Correct.
Open the 11G console also. Yeah. Yeah, click on home button there. No, no, home.
Where is home button?
Yes, home is there.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, now can you open the 11G as well?
Okay.
Let's see if it is working or not. Colon.
Yeah.
Yeah, press enter. Check the cookie name first.
Yeah. It's
Now both are different cookie names. So they both are
they're working on the same browser.
they can work on the same browser. It will not create any issues for us.
Okay.
What was happening earlier was both of the cookies name were saved.
Taking the same name.
Yeah, in the same name, so the servers were getting confused. Browser was getting confused where the request has to go. It has to go to 11G or it has to go to 12C, and the request going from 11G to 12C was not working.
Yeah.
Now we have fixed that as well. So
Okay.
in now 14C, when we will install 14C environment also, that environment also can work along
Yeah.
with this on the
Okay.
same machine. No issues for us.
Okay.
Now in your WebLogic, how many users are there? Can you go and show me the users? Any user
In
can both?
11G or 12?
Yeah,
Both
11G.
same, right? Okay.
Anyone, whichever you want.
Okay.
11G, 12G, all are same. We will try the same thing on both.
Okay.
Go to my REMS users and group. Yeah, check the Kiran user and log out. Okay, log out from the system. Log out. There is a log out button.
No, actually, this is WebLogic user. We have logged in.
Yeah, just log in with Kiran user. I want you to log in with Kiran.
Okay.
Do a log out and give wrong password. Don't give the correct password for Kiran.
Okay.
Give WebLogic to, or at least try the wrong
Kiran.
password for 5 times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The first time, give it at least 5 to 6 times wrong password.
Okay.
You have tried 5 times.
This is fifth time.
Okay. Then try it 6 times.
Okay.
One more time wrong password. Login.
Yeah.
Okay. Now try to give the correct password as well.
Okay. It's not coming.
It's not coming up. So what has happened? Like there may be a scenario in which a developer was trying to log in into the console. He has forgot his password. He
Okay.
tried for some time. He's still not able to log in. So what he will do is now he's not able to log in into the console. He's in a panic mode. He wants to check something on an urgent basis. So he will come to the admin now. You are the admin, so you will log
Yeah.
in with WebLogic user.
Okay.
So the developer has to come to you, okay, or he has to
Yeah.
send a mail to you that he is not able to log in. Now, can you go to servers?
Okay.
Servers, click on admin server. Yeah, admin server. Yeah, go to there is monitoring, and then security down. Security.
Yeah.
Yes. So now here you can see total invalid logins are 8.
Yeah.
So there were eight till that from the time when the server admin server was restarted, there were 8 attempts in which invalid username and password was supplied. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and there is one user which is logged out. That is what it is showing. Logged out user
Okay.
is one. There is one user which is logged out.
Okay.
So now you will be able to know that okay, that username, whatever that developer has given, there is no issue. He has used the wrong password. That is why
Okay.
his account has been locked. Can you
Yeah.
open the CMD prompt for 11G? Let's see if there is something in the logs as well.
Okay.
Yeah, open that.
How to differentiate?
Yeah, go up. Yes, I will tell you how to differentiate. Go up. Just go little bit up. Not that this much. It's just when it is running. You can see the port number here. You can see the for domain name 11G domain in production
Yeah.
mode.
Yeah.
So port number also by using this you can see. Also in
Okay.
the logs you can see go down. User Kiran in security rims. Go down. Yeah, just yeah.
Locking account for 30 minutes.
Yeah, so now his account has been locked for 30 minutes. So he has
Okay.
done 5. These types of alerts you will see in the logs as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now what you can do, you otherwise the user has to, if he remembers the password, he has to wait for 30 minutes. Then only his account will get unlocked and then he can log in into the system. But yes,
Okay.
if he comes to you before 30 minutes, then in that case, you have an option to unlock him. So
Okay.
how can you unlock that user? Go to the admin console,
Yeah.
go to 11G domain, click on 11G domain, and there is security there,
Yeah.
and then user lockout. It's the third option. Logged out, unlock user.
Unlock user.
Yeah, just click on this, give the username Kiran. Yeah, save this. So the user will be unlocked now. Can you log out and then try to log in with Kiran user now?
Okay.
So the same thing you can try in 12C as well. So it will also work the same way there also. There is no changes there as well in this.
Okay. So it's unlocking that user.
Yes, it is unlocking that Kiran user.
Okay.
I think you have again pressed something in that command prompt. That is why it is taking time. Open the command prompt and press
Okay. Okay.
enter. Yes, see, you
Yeah,
have
I've
already
selected that
selected. Yes,
actually.
press enter.
I think it got
Yes,
saved.
user is successfully unlocked. Log out and then log in with Kiran user.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, now it is working for you. Okay.
Yeah.
So if someone is logged out, you can unlock this in this way itself for that user. I'll log
Okay.
out using this user and log in with WebLogic or because you do not have admin rights. That is why I am asking you again to log out.
Okay.
Log out and log in with WebLogic user.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you go to security rims? The configuration where from where it is locking your system is inside your security rims, my rims. There is a option called user lockout.
Yeah.
And you click on that. So here you can see maximum threshold is 5. Lockout duration is 30. So from there
Yeah.
it is picking those values. So you can change
Okay.
it. Like you can make if you want to lock the user for 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, whatever you want as per the organization needs. You
Okay.
can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so based on the organization need, you can lock the user for more number of time, or you can minimize this as well. If you
Okay.
don't know that the application which you are using is not that much secure or something like that, if the architects of your project decide that we need to change this, then in that
Yeah.
case you can make it 5 minutes, so that in 5 minutes it will unlock itself.
Okay.
And
Instead of
so,
waiting for 30 minutes.
yeah, instead of waiting for 30 minutes, they can get it unlocked in 5 minutes as well. So now
Okay.
let's have a scenario in which the Kiran user has already, he does not remember the password itself. He has forgotten. Now he has came to you, or he has sent a mail to you to change
Yeah.
his password.
Okay.
So how you will change the password? You will log in with your WebLogic user
Yeah.
and go to users and group again, and click on the user Kiran,
Okay.
and then there is the password tab is there. Second tab, password. You will give the
Okay.
new password. Try to give the new password here, WebLogic 2 or
Okay.
something like that, and then we will try to log in with WebLogic 2 there.
Okay.
Yeah, save it, log out, and try to log in with WebLogic 2.
Okay. It's asking for
Uh, yeah, give WebLogic 2.
yeah, I gave WebLogic to.
Something would be wrong. You again clicked on save or something like that.
Yeah, again I clicked.
Why you saved? I told you to log out.
Okay.
You click on
So
log out.
no need of saving yet.
Saved. You already have saved it.
Okay. Yeah, it got.
Yeah, so you already have saved it once. If you
Yeah.
so this is how you will change the user password for any particular user if
Okay.
he has forgot. So this is a task of the admin. He will be doing this. Okay,
Okay.
he will be doing this password rotations if for any users it has been logged out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So have you started? We have started Node Manager. Let's. Where is the Node Manager configuration in 12C?
12C.
Yeah, that Node Manager.property file. That was the most important file which we saw in 11G.
Yeah.
So that is there in the domain home itself. Yeah, go to user projects domain. There is a folder Node Manager here. Node Manager folder is here. Here you can see the file is there. Node
Yeah.
Manager. Open
Yeah.
that
This.
file. Last one. Open this file. Here you can see secure listener is true. You can make the secure listener as false. And in the console also you can make that configuration changes and restart it, and then your the same configuration will be enabled here as well.
Okay.
Okay.
So secure listener is false, right?
Yeah, we will
And one more
start script
start
enable.
script enabled. It is false.
No, it's true always.
Okay.
It's true. Okay. So you can save this, restart, and then the same configuration is there. So you have to understand in 11G the property file was stored in server WL server 10.3 common node manager folder, but in 12C it is stored here in the domain.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So suppose in Unix, we'll check PS command, right? Like what are the
Yes,
processes running. In
yes.
Windows, how to check like that?
Yeah, ps-ef grep node manager.
Yeah, this will work here also.
No, not in Windows. No,
Okay.
ps command will not work in here. But there
Okay.
is a different command which you can use. There is gtaps.
Okay. So I'm checking which one is the node manager.
Yeah,
Yeah, this one
first and second is node manager. Yeah, this is node manager. This is
I'm
node
killing
manager
it.
for 12C.
Yeah, I'm closing it.
Yeah, yeah.
I can run from here itself, right?
Yeah, it runs from inside domain itself. Yes, correct.
Can I do CMD here?
No, not here. Inside
Okay,
bin. This is the
okay, okay.
property file, but yeah, you
Uh-huh.
have to go inside dev bin.
Okay.
From here it will start. So you can see plain socket listener is started on 667.
Yeah,
Down, last line,
yeah, here.
plain socket. But yeah, don't select.
Yeah, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, so go to your console. There also you have to make the changes. If you don't make the changes in console, then in that case there will be a mismatch and then it will not work.
Okay. Machine, sir.
Yes, the same place. This is 11G.
Okay.
You made changes in 12C.
Yeah, yeah.
Lock and edit and SSL. Here also, whenever you click the lock and edit button, pending folder gets created and those things, the same concept lies here also. There is no changes in those things.
Okay.
So pending folder will get created here also. Here also you can enable that config archive folder. Can you do
Okay.
that? Let's do that config archive folder. It's the same.
Yeah.
Where is that? Dev domain. Click on dev domain in order to in the yes domain is selected dev domain and advanced. Go down. Yes, same. Here config archive enabled. Yes, yes, here also.
Yeah, here.
Check the lock and edit button and select it and make the
Okay.
config archive count as 10, 20, whatever you want.
Okay.
And 0, you have to make it 10. Save it, activate your changes.
Yeah.
Okay, then again, all the changes were with triangle with exclamation mark. That is why you need to restart it. You can restart it at later point of time.
Okay. So here they are showing a triangle, right? This is
Yes,
may
yes, triangle
restart may required. Okay.
may be required. That is what it is, may be required. Sometimes what will happen is we cannot just determine that it is must required. May
Okay.
is a relative word. Sometimes
Yeah.
when you think that it will require, it will say that restart is not required, and then you will feel like, okay, why it is not required. So
Okay.
you use the word may.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
clear.
I forgot to ask you about this
Yeah,
one. I wanted to know about these servers
yeah, dynamic clusters.
and what is DS1, DS2?
Yeah, these are dynamic clusters which you have created using the template. So we have created
Okay.
one template, and using that template we have created. So what we have done, so go to again clusters. Like there is a scenario in which there are 4 managed servers on which your application is running. Okay,
Okay.
on
Yeah.
these dynamic clusters. Now there is a huge rise, like with it the 5,000 users have to use. Now you can see there are 10,000 users coming in. Now you
Okay.
have to increase the capacity on the go.
Okay.
Then in that case,
Okay.
how you can do it? Otherwise, you have to create the server. There are so many configuration which you have to do. But if
Yeah.
you go with these dynamic clusters, it's very easy to increase. And we'll increase it now. Go to the
Okay.
cluster, plus sign on the cluster.
Yeah.
There is a cluster. Go to clusters. Yeah, go to plus sign. Go to server templates.
Okay.
Now go to take the lock and edit button.
Yeah.
and click on ST1, server template 1.
Okay.
Now if here go down, there will be some configuration, not here. Okay. Go up. Server start cluster. Go to server start. What is the last one? Last parameter. Not here as well. Web
So
services.
web services coherence.
Yeah. Try to go to one by one. Go to protocol.
Okay.
I am.
Protocols. Okay.
Let's see what is there. No, not this one. Also go to logging. Wait, just 1 second. I just. Yeah. Go to cluster. Just can you click on clusters?
Okay.
Only the cluster. Let's see what you are seeing there. Click on this cluster one.
Okay.
Number of cluster address 3. Uh, okay. In server templates only there is something I am just missing it out somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
Just click on server template. Listen address. Go to servers or not here. Go down. Go to the
Advanced, I
advanced.
think.
Go to advanced. Let's see. Inherit running setup mode. Go there. Go down. There is a place where we can define uh, system listen port cluster listen machine.
So usually this is for scaling, is it? When
Yeah,
we
it's
need.
for scaling up
Okay.
server code.
They will automatically come, or we have to
Yeah,
set
it
anything.
will automate. Let's create one more server template now. I just wanted to see where is that option, why it is not missing here.
Okay.
Click on server template, create some server template ST2.
Okay.
ST2, server ST2, ST2, okay. Click on ST2.
Yeah.
Yeah, go down, go down. Where is the server list coming up? Okay, I will discuss about this later because I
Sure.
think
Sure.
somewhere I am missing something.
Okay.
The- oh,
And listen port is coming 7001. Shall I change it?
Yeah. Okay. No. Wait. Can you go to cluster again?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't undo all changes. Yeah. First do undo all changes. Yeah. Go to clusters
Okay.
and you click on yeah, lock and edit. Click on new dynamic cluster. Yeah. Here give the name as cluster 5, something like that. Give C5. Yeah, go down. This is next. Unicast is okay. Unicast is the protocol which is used. Yeah, next. Yeah, dynamic cluster size. Here you have to see dynamic cluster size will be, you can give the size, how many number of servers it will show. Like you can
Okay.
give 4, and
Okay.
then maximum dynamic cluster size you can give 10. So it
8.
can increase up to 10.
Okay.
Okay, it can, and then server prefix C5, whatever is there.
Yeah.
Based on the default, using the domain defaults. Okay. Okay, yes, you can clone an existing template for this cluster. You can use the same ST1. Okay. Okay. Next, use the machine. Yes, correct. M1, because you have only one machine, that is why you will use the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, the port numbers are correct. It will be in the same range of port 8100 899.
Yeah.
Next. Yes, so you can see the configuration, dynamic cluster size. 4 managed servers will be created now. Okay,
Okay.
but at if the peak, if the mm, load increases on those managed servers, then it does, the next managed server will be created. Fifth managed server will be created. Sixth will be created. Seventh will be created. Seventh, eighth will be created.
Okay.
Okay, automatically it will keep on creating those managed servers, and maximum it can create 10. And then once the load decreases, those managed servers will be shut down itself. Okay, and get
Okay.
deleted by
Okay.
itself. Okay,
Okay.
so if you have deployed your application on this dynamic cluster, then in that case, your application can scale up and scale down automatically. Yeah, do
Okay.
finish it. Yeah,
Okay.
activity changes. Yeah, now go to servers. Let's see if there is anything. Nothing has been created.
Maybe they will get created only when load is there.
No, no, I think you need to restart. Just restart everything of this domain. We'll
Okay.
restart each and everything, and then it should come up.
Okay. Sure.
So keep few
So
changes and
you
restart. There are some configurations are needs to be restarted.
okay. Shall I restart admin server?
Yeah, yeah, okay. Restart everything. Admin manage all.
Okay.
Yeah, close this one. Close 11G now. We don't require 11G. Whenever it is required, we will check it again.
Okay. This is LC.
Yeah, this is the we'll see admin server.
Closing this.
Yeah, yeah, close this. Down, down, down. Start. Yeah, go bed is running now. This is 11G. This is 12C.
Yeah. Yeah, they got created.
Now they are got created. It is what I
Yeah.
told you, there were some configuration which needs
Yeah.
restart. That is why it
Okay.
was not. So you can see four has been created as per the request. Like one thing which I see that there is a mistake.
Okay.
What is the mistake? You can see the listen port.
Naming of the
No, naming
uh,
is correct. Only the port numbers are similar. That is what we can see.
okay.
8101, 8102, 8103, 8104. So because we have used the same template, what it has done is it has created the servers
Same
with
port numbers.
the same port. So that should not be the case in
Yeah.
real time.
Because again they'll get conflict, right?
Yes,
Port
yes, they will
conflict.
not be able to start. You will not be able to start CS1, C51, and DS1
Okay.
the same point. So the port number should be different. So this is the use of the dynamic clusters. So it
Okay.
can scale up. When you deploy your application on this C5 cluster, and if
Okay.
the load gets increased, then in
Yeah.
that case, uh, fifth managed server will come up, sixth will come up, seventh will come up,
Yeah.
eighth will come up automatically. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, it will come up, and
So
then
in
it will.
production, they use this feature
Yes, yes,
anytime.
yeah. They use this feature.
Okay.
This feature is helpful.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear with this point?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay, let's install 14C as well now.
Okay.
You have gone through all the videos. That is why you are also fast. I am also fast.
Yeah, little understanding I'm able to catch you.
Yeah, that is what. If you have not seen the video and then you try to start it again, then it will take a lot of time
Yeah.
for both of us. I have to help you with all the navigation. Now you know the navigation. You have already seen it. You are just trying to remember it one by one.
Correct.
One by
Yeah.
one, by making use of it, you will remember it.
Yeah. So shall I log out?
Yeah, yeah. Log out. Close all the windows,
Yeah.
and let's install 14C as well.
Actually, this WebEx
Yes,
screen
yes,
is
I can
coming.
understand that
Yeah.
that window disturbs a
Popping
lot.
down every time.
Yes, yes, I know. That is a big
Okay.
headache.
So shall I download that?
14C you already have downloaded now.
14C we download?
You downloaded that day. You have shown me that software. Maybe JDK 11
Yeah,
you have
yeah,
to
yeah.
download.
Correct, correct. I downloaded.
Yeah, just check if the JDK 11 you have,
Okay.
because here in this case we need JDK 11. No, JDK 11 is not there. Just download JDK 11.
I'll unzip this first.
Yeah, yeah, unzip this.
Yeah, so JDK 11 we have to download.
Yes, download JDK 11. Yeah, there is JDK 11 on the same page. JDK 8 and JDK 11. You can
Yeah.
see. Just click on JDK 11. Go down. Download it for Windows. Linux. All are Linux. Go down. There should be someone for me. No, it's not there. Yeah, Windows is there. Fourth option. Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, Windows. No, no, up. Yeah,
Okay.
x64 is the one which you have to download. Yes.
.exe only, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah. I have to check this password.
it. See, there are so many passwords to remember in life, so
Yeah.
it's very hard for us to remember all the passwords.
Yeah.
Somewhere you have to give 5 characters, you have to give small characters, and all
Correct.
those. Who will remember so many passwords? So where do you stay in Hyderabad?
I stay in, SR Nagar?
SR Nagar. Which side? High Tech.
Not that side. Amirpet, you must be having idea.
Page side. Okay.
Yeah.
Where is your office location?
It's in high tech city.
High Tech City only.
Yeah. Here all the softwares are only in high tech city
High Tech
and
City. Yeah.
Gachibowli. Yeah.
Yeah. Gachibowli and High Tech. Yeah. Let's install JDK 11 first.
Okay.
Just double click on it. Let's start installing. Later you can paste it somewhere else. Let's complete at 14C installation as well. Then
Sure.
we'll
Yeah.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
In the meantime, you can do the same thing on 14C as well and see if there is any changes or if there is anything which is
Yeah.
changed. Okay, let's change the path. Yeah,
Okay.
next. Yeah. So next.
So from how long are you staying in Bangalore?
Yeah, 14, 15 years. I mean.
Oh, okay. You must be well versed with the city.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
You have been to Bangalore?
Yeah, yeah. I come regularly, almost like every yearly, twice, thrice. I keep coming.
Yeah, you told your sister or someone else.
Yeah, my sister and my uncle, everyone are staying there.
Which side of Bangalore?
They
Like,
stay in they are Kanakpura and Banerghatta side.
no, Kanapur. Yeah, Meenakshi Mall, you told me.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
I
so
also
this is
stayed for 6 months in Bangalore when I worked
okay.
with Vachusa. So
So,
JDK installation is done.
yeah, JDK is done. Close this. Close all these command prompts. We don't require all these command prompts now. Everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Then open one more command prompt with
Admin.
as a administrative privilege.
Okay.
Yeah, go to the location where your installer is. The same steps. Everything is the same.
Yeah.
You just D drive, D and colon. Then it will go to the D drive.
Yeah.
CD, Weblogic software, something was there. In one more folder, you have to go inside.
Yeah.
CD MW14. This is
Actually, I've kept it inside, outside only.
okay. And this
Yeah.
is for, yeah.
In the same softwares,
Yeah. Go and check the
I kept
where,
the generic this
yeah, check the name.
file is here only.
No, that is 12C. We don't require 12C. We need 14C.
Sorry, 14.
Yeah,
Yeah,
before
this
that,
one.
we need to take the JDK part. That is very important.
Okay.
Yeah, go to your C drive and take the JDK part. C Java 14 dot something will be there. C Java 14, yes, JDK 14, 11,
Okay.
yeah,
11.
yeah, bin. And I think we again have to use that part.
Command, right? Okay. Uh,
With the temp folder one, because that is the
okay.
one.
Okay.
Because this installer will also require that. So do you have that parameter?
I have to check. So
Yeah.
can we already created, right? It won't take the same folder.
No, no, it will not take. You have to pass that. By
Okay.
default, it will take the default one which is set out your system level.
It's -d Java or
Check, I've pinged you on WhatsApp that link. You can take it from there.
yeah. Java-d java.io.temp directory.
Yeah. So use Java hyphen
So
Java
yeah, Java
hyphen
hyphen d
yeah.
java
Use
dot io dot
temp and then hyphen jar. Space hyphen jar FMW 14C1.
yeah.
14. FMW you type FMW 14. It will take
Okay.
that.
Okay.
I think it will take that. That is 1 4. Tab it again. Tab it. Tab. Yes.
Yeah.
Dot zip. Yes. Yeah. Run this command. Copy this command and put it in your
Yeah. Yeah. I'll
notepad.
keep it in a notepad.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
This is asking us where we have to.
Yeah. You can just see Oracle. Go to browse and then.
So,
Middleware
I'll-
12C.
14. Shall I keep
Yeah.
14?
You see?
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Middle
Yeah.
14.
Then give slash Oracle home. O capital or O
Okay.
capital F capital. Next. Yeah, WebLogic server.
Next.
Yeah, next.
Yeah.
So
So
just
this Oracle home is our middleware home. Both are same, right?
yeah. So in from 12c, the middleware home has been changed.
Okay. Okay.
There is Oracle home, is what we call.
Okay.
So we have used the correct JDK, so that is why the JDK version is also correct here. Just
Yeah.
next. Yeah. So we will create the domain also, and then the remaining things you can try to do it here. Creation of
Yeah.
user,
Okay.
creation of dynamic clusters, and then changing the cookie name,
Yeah.
all those things you can do it there.
Okay. So WLST is easy to learn, or it is difficult?
Yeah, it has been installed. Next and finish. Yeah,
Shall
remove
we
that.
launch?
Yeah, remove that.
Okay.
Yeah, now go to that folder, Oracle home build, Oracle common, Oracle common win,
Okay. Okay.
common win, config.cmd, the same command. Everything remains the same.
Yeah.
If you remember 11G, 12C, 11G there was some different folder structure, but 12C and 14C almost.
12C and 14 are almost same.
Yeah. And concept wise, everything remains the same. Almost remains
Yeah.
the same. See everything. Yeah, create new domain here. You can give test domain. Just change the name of the domain as test domain.
Test domain.
Yeah. Any name.
Yeah.
What you give prod domain, you can give prod domain.
Yeah.
same username.
So here also admin server will be
Yeah,
by
yeah.
default created.
Yeah, admin server will see. That is what is the any domain you create 11G, 12C, 13C, 14C, 19C, cloud, anything domain. If you create a domain, admin server will get created automatically.
Yeah.
Select all of them. Next. Yeah, here you make the port number as 9001.
Yeah.
Let's have the 9001 series here.
Okay.
Yeah, here node manager. I give the username and Weblogic 1. Friday also we will have 7 hour class. So just go ahead and watch all the videos so that you are fast enough to catch all of them. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. All whatever till now we covered,
Yeah,
I'll
just go
watch all.
through it. If you want to check the new videos, go to check the videos on YouTube channel, and then I
Okay.
want to finish it fast for you because you are able to grasp it. That is the main thing.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we have to go slow.
Okay.
We'll finish it so that you can, if you have any issues, come back at the point of time. You can go through it fastly. You will be able.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on add one or two manage server, whatever you want. Give some name. Yeah. M server. 9003, 9004, next. Add the cluster C1. Yeah. Next.
Not required, right?
Okay, you want to next. Cluster and address and all else. By default, it will take. This is server template again, the same thing which we did.
Yes. ST1.
CRST1.
Yeah.
Make the port number as 9100 and it will till 9999. Next. This is dynamic servers. How many? Yeah, and in the unspecified, you can give ST1
Okay.
and ST1 and dynamic cluster size. You can give here 4, 5, whatever you want. Those many things will get created.
Yeah.
And later on, also we can create it from there. We can give. Okay. Next. Server name prefix also you have to give.
Okay. See what to give? DS.
Yeah, DS14 5. Yeah, next. Yeah, add all the managed servers in the cluster. First, you have to select C1. Select C1.
Okay.
C1. Just yeah. Now arrow mark. Just click on the arrow mark. Nothing. Yes. Next. This is machine. Again, you have to add M1 because it's a Windows machine.
Yeah.
And make it 776 port number. Because all are running on the same, so that is why we are changing it.
Yeah.
Next, add all of these servers into this. Next, and create it. There is no change. What you saw in 12C is the same in 14C as well.
Okay.
Let's start the admin server for 14C. Then we'll stop here. All the other remaining setups you can do it.
Yeah.
Next.
So I will create the users and try
Yeah, you will
different
create the
login,
user.
different.
You configure the node manager. You will what else? You will import the user from 12c domain here
Yeah.
as well, and you will
I will watch that video and see like
yeah,
all the
yeah,
things I'll.
yeah. Just watch the video and complete all those steps, whatever we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, next and finish. So the domain has been created. Go to
So we have to launch it, right?
yeah. No, we have to start the admin server.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay, this will be in
Same here
Oracle.
in Oracle Common user projects.
In common, right?
No. Not here. Oracle Common. Go to Oracle Home.
Yeah.
Yeah, user project. No, not here. Oracle Home, not Common.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Domain, test domain,
Yeah, test domain which you created.
bin.
Bin. Yeah, create the boot the PPT file as well.
Okay. We can create it in
What do
the
you want to
security
create?
boot.properties in server
Yeah, you can.
man, in admin server you have to create.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you can see 14.1.1 is now up. You can use Weblogic. The look and feel will also look the same, whatever you
Yeah.
saw it 12c.
Okay.
Okay, we'll stop here now. We'll meet
Okay.
day after tomorrow.
Sure. Okay. So meanwhile, what we